up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh. This week we're doing a super awesome project feature. This is the Big Time Threads Escalade.
Big Escalade.
It's a big boy.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
It's a big boy for sure. Tell us about this car, because I don't know much.
You know nothing?
It's got big speakers.
It does have a
Got cool
massive
things.
system inside. Pretty much like the back half of the vehicle is just like a wall of subs,
We'll
which
make
is
sure
awesome.
we let you guys get a peek in there.
You'll get
It's got like lighting and like fancy scenes.
Pretty much there's 4 15-inch subs behind your head.
It's like a wall.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's crazy.
So this thing has a gnarly system. It's got nice 26-inch wheels on it, and they were doing this fancy military green with gold flake kind of
yeah,
wrap.
the color actually.
What is the color?
It's
from Hexus.
Hexus HX 30,000. 30,000.
HX 30,000.
The pink book. It's the pink one. And the color is Nodomat.
That's not.
Golden black matte. It does say it in another language. I think it's French.
Is it French?
Because they're from Europe.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, Hexus color, really actually nice to work with as a matte metallic. I thought it was a lot easier than the red Mustang that we previously did in a few episodes ago.
I think it has, it has
a different colored
bit
glue.
different, yeah.
Different colored backing.
It acted a little bit, even though it's from the same series, it did act a little different just from the color, I believe. It kind of felt like it was more saturated.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. So we're still finishing up right now. You're gonna see his white pearl is the original color. And then we are dechroming a lot of this into it's like a gloss black metallic with a gold sparkle in it. And
really
then
nice accent.
Painting some things as well. So the car is gonna leave and it's not gonna be quite done. It still has to go to the painter and a few other places. He's sponsored by like a ton of people. I think Rockford
Rockford Fosgate.
Yes. It's the whole like setup. I know he's got people for his wheels and everything, and this is going in like Truckin' Magazine. It's going all over the place as far as publication.
It'll definitely be in a magazine.
So we're really excited to see it all done up. But yeah, for the most part, it's a pretty flat vehicle, so pretty easy to install. A lot of it, we were doing like the roll down method when you're like hand solo and just like slowly going.
Well, it's a very high tack material, so you
don't want to just full panels.
No, especially flat surfaces, because if all of that surface touches, you're gonna have a hell of a time ripping it back up.
Right.
So you always want to go a little bit as you go, unless you were like, obviously when we did the bumpers, we did complete full pull because we had to get that pre-stretch out of it, of course.
Right.
So a little bit different way to install, but.
Well, and even like the rooftop, Michael did a really cool thing, and we actually kept these racks on right here that we wrapped. And we were able to full pull the roof like, you know, slowly and surely. And what we did is we had it tacked on those racks, so there was actually like a gap, so it didn't touch down until he wanted it to touch down. So he was able to install that entire roof, which was like a huge piece. Yeah, all by himself. So it's all about working smarter, not harder. Every material is different. Every car is different as far as what we're gonna disassemble and things like that, and how we install. Definitely depends on the film. So
yeah.
You always got to be able to improvise and adapt. That's the biggest thing for color change. I feel
as long as you learn the films, you can make the film work and fit to anything.
You just have to tweak.
You just have to know how
you need
to know the properties of the film, and you need to know how it works.
Right.
And that's really the basics. I mean, you can once you learn that, you
can apply it to anything.
Apply it to any car.
Yeah. So if you guys want to check out this car, it belongs to Big Time Threads. They do our shirts and everything. They made a bunch of our original ones.
This one?
Yeah, and our hats and stuff. Super cool guy. He's been in the business like 20 years. Really cool dude. Mahalo, Adam. But yeah, let's finish up.
Oh, bumpers. Yeah. Bumpers. Bumpers.
Knock me out.
The other side out.
So, we actually just got an awesome present from Muto. If you guys have watched our previous episodes on going in adventure mode to the Muto America facility over in Tempe, we've played with this a couple times. Every time
We've definitely driven this a few times.
Right.
Yeah.
So this Escalade though, I feel like it's rap memorabilia, like history.
It's historic.
Yeah, it is. And I am so honored to have it. Thank you, Muto, so much. I'm pretty sure that like Frank Fellers owned this, either originally or at some point.
Or was that?
time.
Yeah. So originally, I believe it was
Had
Frank
something
Fellers,
to do with
and
Frank
then
Fellers,
Muto,
and then it went to Muto.
and it's been there for years.
And Justin Pate actually rapped this,
I'm
like
pretty
this
sure he
rap.
did.
It's super
Yeah.
old, which is crazy. That's like
He rapped it like
huge people
a long time ago.
in our industry like, that are involved in this, and now
That's
we
pretty
have
cool.
it. And you best believe that we are gonna pimp this.
I'm not gonna say anything, but it's gonna be awesome.
Zip it.
Zip-
Zip it.
I'm not
Zip
gonna
it.
give away the
Zip it.
surprise,
Zip it.
but it could be a little different.
It's gonna be a lot different. It's gonna be awesome. I'm excited. Yeah, once again, if you guys want to follow Big Time Threads, he is the owner of this car, super awesome. Shout out to Hexus for sponsoring the project right here.
Awesome
super
film.
fun film to work with.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We love you to the moon and back. Make sure to follow our daily fun on our social media. That's Vinyl Vixen Raps and Rap Sesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram. Please,
Yeah.
please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel at YouTube. If you love the vibe, please help us spread it.
Bye.
Yeah. And we will see you guys next week. That's my sign.
Oh, is it your time
mine.
now? Get out.
I can't.
Oh God. Oh no!
Stick it. Stick it. Yes.
Yep. Oh jeez. I can't fit. Oh. This is the left side.
No, because I remembered both of ours is the right side. Then you have to trade spots.
No, I don't like this side.
Knock
They're
me
busting the
out.
other side out.
Hold on, let me pop. Ow.
Oh,
Okay.
stop it. Okay, close. That's okay.
Okay. No, the other way. How you were. Yeah.
No. I don't know.
Okay,
I don't
whatever,
care.
man.
My knees.
Dude,
My shins
I have
hurt.
a steering wheel in
My-
between my
Yeah,
legs.
but you're way shorter. I'm literally twice your size.